टेल द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एफ। देखो 0.85 and 0.67. Okay, Garima has replied 0.67 is the answer. Adding 0.85 and 0.42 and then subtract 0.60 to get the probability of f, that is 0.67 is the answer. ठीक है, वंस अगेन आपको एक बार क्वेश्चन फिर रिपीट कर दे रहे हैं। Probability of P is given 0.60. Probability of P or F, here or means union, is given 0.85. Probability of P intersection F and means intersection is given 0.42. Find the probability of F. Then it is a formula, probability of P union F equal probability of P plus probability of F minus probability of P intersection F. P union F, this one 0.85 is given, plus probability of E is also given 0.60, plus probability of F to be determined, and probability of P intersection F, that is given 0.42. If you will put here, then by transposing these two, this one and this one to the left side, if you are transposing 0.60 next side, that will be a minus, and minus here that will be plus. So plus 8.5 and 0.42 and then subtract 0.60, the answer is 0.67. This is the right answer. Students, now 13, 15, here question number 13. After 11, question number 13. If A, B, C are three mutually exclusive and exhaustive events associated with a random experiment, P A union B union C equal PA plus PB plus PC minus PA intersection B minus C, B intersection C minus C, A intersection C plus C, A intersection B intersection C. All of you know this about, sorry, इधर थोड़ा सा इसको इधर लिख देते हैं, अभी भी नहीं दिख रहा होगा, इसको इधर लिखते हैं। P probability of A plus probability of C minus probability of A intersection B minus probability of B intersection C minus probability of A intersection C plus probability of A intersection B intersection, you know very well. And since here A, B, C, 3 are the mutually exclusive events, and if you are taking their intersection, then this is equal to 5, because they have no common element. And what is given here? It is given the probability of, it is being, find probability of A being given that probability of B 3 1/2 of PA and probability of PC. Condition is also given here, since probability of, it is given probability of B is 3/2, probability of A and probability of C equal to 1/2 probability of B is given. तो पहले थोड़ा सा इसको एडजस्ट कर लेते हैं, फिर उसको फॉर्मूले में अप्लाई कर देंगे। देखो here probability of B, it is given relation probability of B is 3/2 of probability of A, ठीक है, and probability of C is 1/2 of probability of B. It means if you will consider probability of A, then definitely can find the probability of B and then C. So here let कर लो, let probability of A is what? X. If it is X, then probability of B is 3/2 of X, क्योंकि probability of B 3/2 of A है, और here we have supposed the probability of A is X, so the probability of B is 3/2 of X, and probability of C is how much? 1/2 of probability of B, and the probability of B is how much? 3/2 of X. This is 3/2 of X. That is equal to 3/4X. So here what we have the probability of B, A and C in terms of X. ठीक है, A, B and C, probability of A, B and C terms of X. We get here C, probability of A is X and the probability of B is 3/2 of X, and probability of C is 1/2 into 3/2 of X, because probability of B already I find 3/2. So this is 3/2 of X. So probability of C is 3/4X. Now we have get the probability of A, B, C in terms of X. Now come to this formula. Here, since A, B, C are the mutually exclusive events, so this is equal to 0. ठीक है, these whole terms will be equal to 0. Now, here, since you know the sum of all the probabilities is 1, so this is 1 equal probability of A is X, probability of B is 3/2 of X plus 3/4 of X. Now since LCM is what? LCM is 4, so the LCM 4, so 1 equal 4X plus 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6X plus 3X divided by 4. Do the cross multiply. 4 equal 6 or 4, 10 or 3, 13X. So X equal 4/30. This is the probability of A. See, this is the probability of A. Probability of A is how much? 4/30. Okay, already have supposed X is the probability of A. If it is probability of A, then the probability of B is 3/2 of X, 4/13, which is equal to 6/26. ठीक है, सॉरी 12/26. 2 से आप कैंसिल भी कर सकते हो, ठीक है, तो 2 6 जा 12, 2 1 जा 2, 2 3 जा 6, 6/13 is the probability of B. 6/13 is the probability of B. You may see here the probability of B is 6/13. Now the probability of C. What is the probability of C? Here the probability of C can be determined Probability of C is 3 by 4 of x, and x is how much? 4 by 13. Cancel out. So this is equal to 3 by 13. Okay? Now if you will sum these A, B, C, and that will be equal to 13 upon 13, that is 1. So these are the probability of A, B, C. In this way, you can find the probability of A, B, C by applying the formula probability of A union B union C equal probability of A plus probability of B plus probability of C in case if A, B, C are mutually exclusive and C event. Now come to the question number 17. Not 7, yes, question number 17. Question number 17. क्योंकि आज मुझे फिनिश करना है, लगभग कोशिश करेंगे. कह रहा है द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट अ कॉन्ट्रैक्टर विल गेट अ प्लम्बिंग contract is 2 by 3 and electric contract is 1 by 4. Here there are the probability of two events. So suppose that the probability of first event A, which is of being contract for the plumbing, is 2 by 3 and probability of B, which is being to be contract for the electric, is 4 by 9, and it is given if the probability of getting at least one contact is 4 by 5, find the probability that he will get both contacts. देखो probability of at least means minimum and then maximum, so that is union of B equal to A and B both कितना, that is equal to 4 by 5. 4 by 5, then we have to determine the probability of A intersection B, that he can get both the contract, electricity and plumbing. So come to apply P A union B equal probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Here probability of A union B is equal to, क्या पूछ रहा है, at least one, if the probability of getting at least one contract is 4 by 5, find the probability that he will get both contracts, A or B. So put here 2 by 3 plus 4 by 9 minus एक और कौन सा दिया, अच्छा 4 by 5 नहीं, ये तो इधर है ना, 4 by 5 दे रखा है ना, तो 327 माइनस P A intersection B. So P A intersection B equal to 2 by 3 plus 4 by 9 minus 4 by 5. Now the LCM of 395 is 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, 5, 3 and then 5. 3 3 ja 9, 5 ja 45 is the LCM. So if it is 45, so probability of A intersection B is equal to 3 से डिवाइड करो 15 3 जा 45 और 15 2 जा 30 प्लस 9 5 जा 45 और 5 4 जा 20 माइनस 5 3 जा 15 15 और 5 3 जा सॉरी 5 9 जा 45 9 4 जा 36 डिवाइडेड बाय 45 ठीक है ना 50 और 50 माइनस 36 36 और 4 40 और 10 50 तो 14 बाई 45 दिस इज योर hence the probability that he will get both the contract is 14 upon 5 is the right answer. Is it clear? Is it clear, students? Now see the question number 18. Correct card is drawn from a well shuffled pack of playing cards. What is the probability that it is either a spade or an ace or both? ठीक है देखो कह रहा है a card is drawn from a well shuffled pack of playing cards. What is the probability that it is either a spade? So how many spade are there? How many spade? Spade are 13 ठीक है और number of ace is 4 number of ace is 4 and number of ace and spade देखो हमने कहा है कि एस भी हो और स्पेड भी हो ऐसे कितने होंगे ऐसा ऐसे कार्ड जो एस भी हो और स्पेड भी हो मतलब एस स्पेड का एस ऐसा कितने कार्ड आएंगे टेल मी स्टूडेंट एस का स्पेड कितने स्पेड का एस हाउ मेनी कार्ड्स आर देयर एस ऑफ स्पेड वन गुड क्योंकि यू नो इन एवरी सूट देयर इज वन एस so out of 13 one is s so this is one only one which is s and spade both अब आपको सीधा पता होगा कि if you are drawing a card then that will be out of 52 so what is the probability that drawing a card spade card suppose that a PA is the probability that the one card drawn is spade. So that is favorable outcome 13 divided by 52. This is the probability that the card drawn is spade. Now, what is the probability that the card drawn is ace? Then ace is 4. So this
4 upon 52 is the answer. So this is equal to 13 and 1 by 13 is the probability of this event. Now both A and B means intersection. So probability of A intersection B is equal to 1 by एस बी ओ और स्पेड बी मतलब स्पेड एस स्पेड का एस नाउ व्हाट इज टू डिटरमाइन हियर इट इज आस्किंग कि John from a what is the probability that it is either spade or either spade or S or on both. ठीक है? Well, what is the probability is either spade or an S or both. ठीक है, यहाँ से आपको इंटरसेक्शन की प्रोबेबिलिटी मिल गई है। अब आपको कह रहा है या तो स्पेड हो या एस हो या दो, तो आप क्या करोगे? प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए यूनियन बी, ठीक है, ए यूनियन बी। तो क्योंकि यहाँ पे और लगा रखा है तो आप समझ ही सकते हो कि और क्या होता है। प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए प्लस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बी minus probability of A intersection B. Now just put the value. Probability of A is 13 by 52 plus 1 by 13. इसको 4 by 52 ही रहने दो ताकि आसान हो जाएगा ऐड करने में, minus 1 by 52. Now 13 and 4, 17 minus 1, 16 by 2. So the probability of A union B equal to 16 by 50. This is answer 16 by 52, या 4 से आप डिवाइड भी कर सकते हो, ठीक है। 4 4 16 and 4 31 52 and 4 by 13 is the probability that the card is either ace or spade or, is it clear? Now question number 19. What is given here? Here a card is drawn at random from a pack of 52 playing cards. What is the probability that the card drawn is neither a spade nor a king? तो पहले स्पेड कीन की प्रोबेबिलिटी निकाल लेते हैं और उसको उनमें से माइनस कर देंगे, ठीक है। टोटल प्लेइंग कार्ड्स आर 52. हियर इट इज गिवन कि हाउ मेनी स्पेड, देखो नंबर ऑफ, अगर स्पेड की बात करें तो हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ स्पेड कार्ड्स आर देयर, 13, एंड नंबर ऑफ कीन is equal to 4, ठीक है, and number of spade and queen is equal to 1. सिंपल नंबर ऑफ, अब आपको फाइंड करना है कि व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी। अगर मान लो स्पेड की प्रोबेबिलिटी आपको चाहिए तो सपोज दैट दिस इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ए, दिस इज 13 by 2 and probability of B equal to 4 by 30, 52, ठीक है, and probability of A intersection B equal 1 by 52. Just we have find here in the previous question. Now the probability of A union B equal probability of neither spade nor king, then subtract from 1. ठीक है? So if you will subtract, so that will be bar sign here. Probability that it is neither spade nor king, union bar. ठीक है? इसकी कॉम्प्लीमेंट लेंगे. So the probability यहाँ से आप क्या करोगे? Neither spade nor king. Probability neither spade nor king equal to how much? 1 minus 4 by, okay, 9 by 13 is the answer, and this is the probability. Clear? Is it clear, students? Tell me, is it clear? चलो, सिर्फ only 2 students are replying. Question number 18 आपको बता दिया. 19 you will do like 18. Now find the probability. हाँ, ये चलते क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 देखो, कह रहा है कि फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग एन इवन नंबर ऑन द फर्स्ट डाई और अ टोटल ऑफ 8 ऑन ए सिंगल थ्रो ऑफ 2 डाइस. Find the probability of getting an even number on the first die. So if you are throwing a dice 2 times, then total possible outcome is 36 in a pair of dice. ठीक है? In which the question is, suppose that in the first event कह रहा है even number on the first die. So if you are counting the probability of outcomes, ठीक है, in which on the first die there is even number. तो even number 2 आएगा. 2 के साथ क्या आ सकता है? 2 के साथ आपका 1 आएगा. 2 के साथ 2 आ सकता है. 2 के साथ 3 आ सकता है. 2 के साथ 4 आ सकता है. 2 के साथ 5 आ सकता है. 2 के साथ 6 आ सकता है ना. फिर 4 के साथ आप ले सकते हो 1, 4 के साथ 2, 4 के साथ 3, 4 के साथ 4 और 4 के साथ 5, then 4 के साथ again 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5 and 6 6. So these are the outcomes in which on the first die there is even number. क्योंकि there are even number 2 4 6 from 1 to 6. So here 6 6 and 6 total are 18. So the possible favorable outcome for the even number is how much? 18. Okay. So if in the first case, suppose that the probability A is the probability, this is an A is 18. So probability of A is the even in which on the first die is even number. So that is probability of A is 18 upon 36, which is equal to 1 by 2. And in the second case, there are is total of 8. Total, suppose that this is the probability on which the sum of the both the die is 8. That is the probability B. तो 8 सम किसके किसके आएंगे? एक तो 1 के साथ, किसी का 8 नहीं आएगा. देखो, अगर NB पहले दिखाते हैं. NB means the sum of both the dice is 8. 2 के साथ 6 आएगा. के साथ 5 ले सकता है, 4 के साथ 4 आएगा, 5 के साथ 3 होगा और 6 के साथ 2। These are the favorable outcomes to get the sum is 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the probability of the event B getting sum as a 8 is equal to 5 upon 36. This is the probability. Now, how many numbers are there which are getting, which have common probability that both the first I is even and the sum is 8 also. तो अगर सम और 8 दोनों हैं, ऐसे में देखो ये है 1, 2 and 3. So 3 are the common which have on the first I even and sum 8 also. So 3 upon 36, that is 1 upon. Okay. Now what we have determined here, probability of A, probability of B and probability of A intersection B. A intersection B में हमने उनको काउंट किया है जिनके फर्स्ट बेस पे 2 है और दोनों बेस का सम कितना है 8 है। एक तो 2 6 आएगा, 4 4 आएंगे और इन्हीं के साथ 8 आएंगे और बाकी यही इसमें पहले वाले ये वाले में कॉमन होंगे। तो 3/36 1/12. Now the question is find the probability. This that means P A union B आपको फाइंड करना है। So just apply the formula P A union B. Probability of A union B equal probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection here. Now the probability of A is 1/2 plus probability of B is 5/36 minus probability of A intersection B 1/12. 5/36. ठीक है, 5/36 है ना, 36. Now what is LCM? 36. ठीक है, 2 12 and 36. 2 6 18 3 9 3 3 the 4 is the 36 is the LCM. So 18 plus 5 plus minus 3 divided by 36 total. How much this 18 plus 5 23 minus 3 20/36, and if you are dividing 5 over the 25 9 the 36, so it is equal to 5, right? Okay, so the probability is 5/9. Okay students, is it clear? Okay. तो थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स, आज के लिए बस इतना ही।